is going on, guys? I'm Josh Dawson and this is Primal Commerce. Now, this is a little different. I'm doing things kind of different today because it's my birthday and I'm really excited. Got the key in front of me. You see, family just came here and said happy birthday and stuff. It was really sweet, but I guess I'm making this vlog today because not only is it my birthday, I'm also taking my life insurance exam today. So we pass this thing, we'll be able to, get licensed to sell insurance. And I'm really, really excited. And I just want to take you guys on that journey with me. I want to thank you guys for kind of just sticking with me so far and just continuing to kind of like my stuff. And we're going to keep building and getting stronger and better and just more awesome. So let's get into it. So it is currently 7:37 a.m. I'm just getting some cram studying in before I go down. I leave about 10:30. So we're just going to knock some of that out. Let's go. So I went ahead and just started cramming some laws and provisions. These are some of the things that I wanted fresh on my mind for the exam. I studied through Kaplan. Kaplan actually is really, really good. They have just so many different resources to help you pass it. So I definitely suggest Kaplan. The study session probably lasted around 2 hours and some change, and just feeling locked in. At this point in time, I really started to feel confident, that I was going to pass this thing. And, the coursework wasn't that difficult. It was just, just getting through the information. So I feel like I was doing just fine. All right, so right now it's about 9:34. Just finished up doing my studying. Now I'm gonna probably get some breakfast in me, relax, soak in the information, and start heading down to the testing facility. Sheesh.
3 hours later.
All right, guys, I know I left out a few pieces, but we did it. We passed on our first try. I don't even know how to feel right now. I just feel so happy, so overjoyed. All glory be to God. Thank you, Jesus. But we got it done on my birthday. I couldn't ask for a better gift. Today's gonna be lit. We're just gonna, oh man, this is awesome. I can provide so much more value for you guys now, and just, let's go. More than 50% of people fail that exam the first time. More than 50% of people fail that exam the first time. I'm just overjoyed and just overcame with so much. I've just been overcome with so much emotion, during this process. I sacrificed so much time at the battle station studying for hours and hours and hours, and I scheduled it on my birthday, and knowing those odds, I still went on head first and took it on because, I believed in myself. And it's such a huge accomplishment for me. It's so great. Like, imagine if I would have failed it and had to go back and start studying again. There's nothing wrong with trying again and getting back up off your feet, but it's so much more relieving knowing that you got it done the first time. I'm so happy. And I'll be talking more about life insurance and how my process is going to go with that. And I'll talk more about how I'm going to tie life insurance into my own financial services company and just how this process is going to go. Stay tuned for videos talking about how I passed it and the tips that I can give you, because I watched a lot of, YouTube people talk about what they did to study for the exam. And a lot of the stuff just won't work for a lot of people. I do think that I took it on in a very unique way that could really benefit you. So just stay tuned for stuff like that. But let's go. I am so excited, so happy to be giving you guys more value and to just do more stuff for you guys in the form of insurance, in the form of teaching you guys knowledge about that field and how to handle it. So thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate it. Let's go. Follow the Instagram, subscribe, like, comment, ring that notification bell. Just do it all. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye.